CEXIO app Buy Crypto and BTC. So it's a new interesting app to, if you want to buy crypto, and you're looking for some alternative to Coinbase, Binance, or, this app provides the ultimate crypto experience with a variety of services in the palm of your hand. Our app empowers you to trade, sell, and buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies instantly, anytime, anywhere. Spend less than a minute to buy Ethereum and other digital assets using a debit, credit card, Apple Pay, bank transfers, and PayPal. So here's the app, and you see like there are like 100 plus digital assets, different payment options, Visa, MasterCard, crypto address, PayPal, online banking, ePay, Skrill. Yeah, so kind of like a interesting new app which you can just try it out. Create your account, and then you need to verify your identity, unfortunately, for 5 minutes, and then enjoy a crypto journey. Then you need to select your country of residence, fill in the CAPTCHA. Then you can enable Face ID. And then that's basically how you create your account. So as you can see, you just, create your email, password, verify with verification code, and then you can enable Face ID. And then you need to verify your country of residence with the address, with the, all of these things, and probably some legal document. So that's how you get started.